Slicing columns with pandas. Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and ran across this issue last week or the week before at work, and I can't believe that I don't have a video of this. So let's just go ahead and jump into this. So what I mean is, here's just a data frame that is an output for my stock screener, and it has 12 columns, symbols, some margin, PE, peg, growth, price, so on and so forth. So what happens if I just want to have, let's say, symbol, margin, and PE, and I just want to look at that in a data frame? So it's literally this simple. So you call your data frame, then you're going to pass in a list of the column names inside square brackets. So I know that may seem a little weird, but this is how I want you to think about it. So you're passing in a list of the columns you want, and you're slicing. So that's why you're going to have two sets of square brackets. So let's just go ahead and see what this looks like. So then symbol and comma margin and comma PE. Close one set, and then the actual slicing. There we go. Boom. So now I have a new data frame because I assigned it, and it only contains 3, the list of columns that I passed in as a list. So there we go. I was absolutely shocked when I went back and I started to look. I was like, I don't know what made me think about it, but I was like, I have to have a video on this, because I was taking a tremendous amount of data last week, and really doing some pretty cool manipulation, and I guess I've noticed that there are some gaps in the channel. But real quick video today. If you've not joined the Discord server, click down below and go ahead and jump over there. We have a lot of discussions going on, really good growth. It's a great support system. I want you to feel very comfortable over there asking any question you need help with. It is, I'm very proud of that community over there. And if you've not subscribed, if this is your first time, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and notification bell. And as always, please drop any comments, questions, or video requests down in the comments or over on Discord. But as always, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye guys.